That's the first one. You see the moving average, period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, no level styles. You can see 4 pixel. You can make it. I put my own green. You can put your own color, but you can be able to use my color so that probably as you are used to the strategy, you can switch to your own personal color too. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's move to the next one. Is Ichimoku. 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 So what is Ichimoku? Let's dive in. Let me just give you the settings for now. Later I'll talk about what is Ichimoku and how you can use Ichimoku to generate away some strategy to trade Volatility75 indexes and other volatility indexes. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please, for those that are new to this channel, this is Adnan Global Access Forex, and you are highly welcome to Adnan Global Access Forex, where we'll have all struggling traders to make sure they make money and excel the forex market. I'm very sure a few of you have seen our previous result, even from our BIP signals, because every day now we'll be updating a short video on our brief BIP signals for that day. So for those that are new to this channel, please you are welcome once again, and please don't forget, if you find any value on this video, please don't hesitate to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video to your loved ones so that we can be able to catch the thieves together. We must make sure we milk and rock drive. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's dive into our strategy. So for the Ichimoku, we have the Chinkun Sin 9, Chunjun Sin 9, Sinkun Span B. We have 52. And make it fill here, make it fill. Then for the Tinkun Sin on the style is red. Sorry, it's blue. I'm sorry, this is blue. But any other thing here, make it your background color. Look at mine. Sorry, look at mine. You see, my background color is white. That's why all these things are white. See, all these things are white. All the settings here, the background color of all these Kim Jun-sin, Juko Spam, off Kumo, down Kumo, all the style for all the styles for all these things will be your background color. All the colors will be your background color. If you have white background, they should be white. If you have red, they should be red. If you have black background as well, you should have black background. That's that for Ichimoku. Let's move into our next indicator window. Next indicator. This commodity. That's the window indicator 1. This is window indicator 1. Window indicator 1. So we have number 1, commodity channel index. For those that trade crude oil with me last year, they should know this indicator very well, because this indicator is used to trade crude oil very well. I have been into this business for almost 8 years now, and I have traded with this commodity channel index for a very long time now, and it has been awesome. You just need to understand some basic concept behind the commodity channel index indicator. If you understand how it works, you will not have any problem with it. So let me give you the settings for the commodity channel index now. For the period, we use period 20. I always like to use period 20 because I am a scalper. For any scalping signals, 80 to 90% of the scalping signals, I always give signals in either my BFE group or free signals that I always give weekly on my channel, or even the free signals that I always give within my group as well. So this 20 period is always the one I use, because majorly that's what identifies a healthy and strong trend. So pullback, retest, go up, pullback, retest, hard. So that's that. So number 1, period 20, now apply to typical price HLC/3. That's what you will choose. Then the next one is levels. Levels, we have 4 levels. First level is -150. Second level is 150. third level is 180, fourth level is minus 180, and the style, I think I use purple, I think, yeah, something like that. Save, done. See, so that's that. Remember one indicator, which is the alligator, the almighty alligator. Okay, so look at it now. From the alligator, number one, we have the jaws period 13, teeth period 8, lips period 8, jaw shift 5, teeth shift 5, lips shift 3, method smooth, applied to medium price HL/2, and styles for the jaws is blue, for the teeth red, for the lips green. So that's that about the settings. As I told you, we have only 4 indicators, and that's all about the settings. And the indicators are, on the main chart we have the Ichimoku and we have the moving average. On the window indicator 1, we have the commodity channel index, and we have the alligator, the hero alligator. Alligator gives me a lot of money, that's why I'm just calling the name, since Ichimoku, alligator, and commodity channel index, I've been using them for a long time. But the best indicator I want you to always, or that I personally often whenever I check my chart, even now, I don't know why I did not put it here, but for those that want it, can also insert this beautiful indicator. Let me even put it on the window indicator 2, which is called ATR, average true range. It's a very, very good indicator. I have made a 40-minute video explaining everything about this indicator. If you want to check the video, kindly check in the link in the description of this video. You will find this video. It's called How to Use Average True Range to Trend Boom and Crash. I think that's the title of the video, so you can check on it. So period 20, levels, no level, style, 3 pixel, save, done. So I'm done now. Look at it. I'm currently done. Oh, you see?